Hey guys, Carly Voinski here from carlyvoinski.com, and today we are doing an unboxing and tasting of Pruvit's new Keto Kreme flavored pumpkin spice. So I actually did order 2 boxes, and so it got shipped and delivered in this box. There's 2 of them in here, and this is how big the box is. So it's like the size of your head. So you'll see Keto Kreme, they always put their flavor right here, pumpkin spice. It has a plastic wrapping on it, so we're gonna have to take that off. Right here it says add to coffee and stir, or just add water. They also now, I noticed on the back of them too, it says directions: dissolve 1 packet in a cup of your favorite hot or cold beverage, stir vigorously and enjoy. So I know some people have been doing the Keto Kremes over ice, like iced coffee, and they've been really loving them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to open this. I've only ever done my Keto Kreme with hot coffee, and what that is it's basically like a bulletproof coffee. You know, the bulletproof coffees where you mix coffee, butter, coconut oil, MCT oil. I would always put a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg, just different things like that. I actually put some salt in it just to make it taste better. Well, this is basically all of the yummy goodness that you would get from doing a bulletproof coffee, but without having to do the bulletproof coffee. You have on the side all of your supplemental facts on there. 1 packet is 130 calories of the pumpkin spice. It has 4 types of collagen in it, which is great. It's great for your skin and your hair and your nails and stuff. It has 3 types of MCT oils in here, MCT types. It has the DNA repair, it says it right there, which I love. It gives you great glowing skin, amazing. Then plus it has all of the goodness. Here we go, I'm gonna read you guys what it says over here. All of the yummy goodness that, you know, gets you burning fat, gets you into ketosis. So where are my ingredients here? So you have coconut shortening powder in here, MCT powders, it says Tenogard collagen types, Ceylon cinnamon, then it says there's some sea salt, and contains coconut and milk. So this one contains that. They don't all contain that. If you see right here, it gives you a little thing that you can pop it out and pull the packets out. That's actually how I have it in my house. So in my cabinet. So this is what it looks like here. On the back, it actually has flavor hacks. It says have fun adding one of these to your beverages, a pinch of organic vanilla bean. Does anyone have organic vanilla bean in your house? A teaspoon of organic, that chocolate stuff, I don't know how to say it. A few drops of almond extract and a pinch of sea salt. I will say putting the sea salt in always really does taste better. So there's 20 servings, well 20 packets in here. You can make a packet last more than 1 serving. So I'll open it up. And it's always interesting because whenever I smell the flavors when they're in their packet or just still as their powder, it always smells totally different than after you mix it up, and it has a totally different smell to it. Okay, so as you see, it comes like that. So you have 20 of these packets in here. Okay, so pumpkin spice, it has this like orangey pumpkin color to the packaging. Again, you have your supplemental facts and instructions on the back here, and it even has in the front the different collagen types, MCT. Sorry, my nails, I'm getting my manicure on Friday. Let me see for the light. There you go. Your different collagen types, MCT types, and all of that. So you have that in there as well. And this is made by Pruvit. This is a brand new flavor that they just did for the fall. I haven't had it yet. I'm gonna have it for the first time here. I just made coffee. The coffee just got done brewing. I heard it beep. So I'm gonna get the coffee and I'm gonna show you how I make it, and then I'll taste it right here on video for you guys so you get the first reaction. We'll also open up the packet and smell it and see what it smells like, because right now when I open up the box, it just smells like new car, like new packaging. Do you know what I mean? That's it. Doesn't smell pumpkin-y from the box, but we're gonna see what happens when I mix it up. So I'm gonna do that, and this is how I start my morning. This is how I start every morning, is I take a packet. I do a full packet. Some people do half a packet, and then that'll get you through over a month, right? You can do half a packet a day, and you can split it up into 20 servings to get 40. I do a whole packet because that's my breakfast. That's what I do. I don't go to Starbucks anymore and buy all those coffees. I just mix that with my coffee. It's like a latte, and I move on. So I'm gonna come right back, and I'm gonna have my coffee, my mixer, my coffee mug, and we're gonna try it out. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I have filled up a shaker cup. It has the blender little bottle thing in here. Can't really see. I filled up to right about the 10-ounce line. That's just how I like it. This is Dunkin' Donuts coffee. It's nothing fancy. If you want to use your organic whatever, you can. You don't have to. That is the beauty of it. You can use whatever you want, and it's still gonna work. You don't have to get all fancy. However, speaking of all fancy, this is my lovely mug that I got from Target that I'm obsessed with. We're gonna be pouring it in here. So let's open up one of these packets. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It smells like an amazing fall candle. Very, very pumpkin pie. Very pumpkin pie. It's stronger than I've had at a coffee shop ever. Okay, this smells really good. And the texture, I'll show you. So the powder is like right about here. So it's not the full thing, but it's like right about here. I'm gonna pour the whole thing in here. And the texture seems actually a little bit thicker than the regular keto cream. So we'll see if it makes it frothier. So I'm gonna pour it all right in here. So again, I do a whole packet. You can do half, if you even choose to do it at all. My lid on, and I have to shake it really good. You can use a spoon, but it does say shake vigorously. Some people use a blender or like the mini bullet ninja things. I just use one of these because then I can just mix it up, and then I can rinse it in the sink without having to take out a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, I have shaken this before in my kitchen, which is all white subway tile without the cap fully on, and there was coffee everywhere, in the grout everywhere, and then I had to run out. So my husband woke up to that, which wasn't really great. Okay, so you see the color changed here. There's that much foam in it. Look at that. It smells like warm pumpkin pie. Okay, like when it comes right out of the oven. I always like to get that last little bit of foam in there. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can show you. I'm gonna have to take the camera off where it is, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like before I taste it. Okay, and you're also gonna see them working from a keyboard. You see? Really foamy, it's like a latte. Don't you love my keyboard? It's so amazing, right? Okay, moment of truth. Wow. It tastes like warm pumpkin pie. When it says pumpkin spice, it's not like spicy, but you can tell that there's like cinnamon or nutmeg or something. It's cinnamon. All right. I'm trying to think if there's like another explanation for it. I do, I have that like cinnamony taste. Like when I do go to Starbucks, when I used to get caramel macchiatos all the time, and I would put cinnamon on top of it, and this tastes like that, like when I used to add cinnamon to something. But it's not overpowering, it's not too dry, if that makes sense. You know how like cinnamon like kind of like dries out your mouth? I like it. So I'm so glad that I bought 2 boxes of these. So that is the pumpkin spice keto cream. It's limited availability. Pruvit just put out a whole bunch of different fall items. They put out chai tea now, which is amazing. I mean, how great that you can drink your chai tea or your pumpkin spice coffee and get into ketosis. And an amazing thing too that they put out is a new Harvest Sunrise ketone, which again puts you into ketosis within an hour, and that one's more like orange, very, very light orange with cranberry. Very, very, very light. It's very like light and crisp and not really sweet or anything like that. So the fall flavors are limited time. I know they're out right now at the making of this video. I'm not sure how much longer. And what is really great is I told you about 2 boxes. So about 1 box for me and my husband, but in the other box I have for whoever goes ahead and orders the 5-day Keto Kreme experience or the 10-day experience with Keto Kreme bonus from it. I'm gonna throw pumpkin spice in there. So that is going to happen, and those links will be in the video descriptions if you want to try them. And the link, if you want to just grab a whole box, is going to be down in the video description too, so you can check that out. So that is the unboxing. I love it. I will say the new packaging for the regular Keto Kreme has like a gold metallic to it, and I'm just all about that right now, so I do wish it was a little bit shinier, but I mean, it is pumpkin, so that's like what they had to do, which totally makes sense. But if you like pumpkin spice, you're gonna love this. And the great thing about it is, if you're going strict keto right now, or if you're looking just to lose a few pounds, looking to start your day off in ketosis, if you're doing intermittent fasting, you don't wanna start your day with sugar or early, what's great is you can throw one of these packets in your purse, in your pocket, in your book bag. I use a book bag with my computer bag. You can throw one of these packets in there, and so I've done this at home. I take these packets with me. I've done it at Wawa, which is the New Jersey version of 7-Eleven, Quick Check, whatever it is that you guys use. I've in there poured my coffee from the Wawa coffee thing, opened up one of these, shook it, mixed it, and paid for my stuff and left. I've also brought this to the local coffee shop where I hang out in Toms River, and had them mix it for me. They actually mixed it in the blender, and that was really cool. They took it from me and just mixed it for me right there. So you can take this with you. They're portable. I love it. It's about the size, one second. It's about the size of my phone. If you have an iPhone, it's about the size of your iPhone. Not the new ones. The new ones are huge. About the size, I have an iPhone X, so it's about the size of that. So, happy pumpkin spice time, happy pumpkin spice holiday. As new stuff comes in, I'll do an unboxing, I'll do a tasting, I'll try to describe it for you. If you've got questions, pop them down in the comments. If you liked this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.